So basically the technique that I'm going to use for this video is going to be when you go under your eye with the individual lash, you're going to go under your eye instead of just like put it right there. You're going to go under because that helps make it look more natural, and that's what the professionals do. So that's what you're going to see. I'll be turning up, oh, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. I'll be turning up, oh, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't feel it, babe, can you feel it, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel it, babe? Okay, y'all, so this is basically the finished product of me doing my individuals. I'm trying to get it to focus, y'all. See how my lashes look? See how they look? You know, see? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is my first time trying to like do a tutorial, so it might be a little crazy looking, but just, you know, just stick through with me. I tried. It's hard. It's very difficult trying to like record yourself, and I record on my phone. I don't have a camera, and my tripod broke, so I had to position my phone on books and like hope it was getting my eye in the camera. So it was difficult, but thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell me what you want to see next. I plan to do better this year with having more content more often. So yeah, thanks y'all. So yeah, thanks for watching. I can't let these niggas knock me. They told me that I'm get that I don't make it in the booth, and I'ma make it in the kitchen.